Regex to catch code that uses private members in Python, unless it's a function def. I'm trying to write a regex to catch any use of private members in Python, with the exception of function names. For example, the following should return true. But the following should return false. Because it has the def before it. I wrote this expression. And it works for most cases, but for some reason it always returns false if there's a space before the private, e.g. this will not return true. What am I doing wrong here? The $!def should not match if have def before it, and I handle spaces before the two underscores, e.g. inside, $z_s. So why isn't it working? Edit. While the accepted answer is correct for regex, I recommend looking at Padraig Cunningham's answer for a better solution using ast. Thanks.
You could try. Example. Source.
Using ast.node visitor, it is very easy to get the attributes and a lot more reliable than a regex. Test.py. Output. All you need to sew is check if node.attribute starts with underscore, etc. You can visit any nodes you like, function def, class def like shown here. There is a comprehensive list of all the nodes in the Green to Snakes docs and their attributes.